Welcome back to Tech Stuff, and this is iPhone 12 and 12 mini. So watch the video to know more. So here are iPhone 12s. So let's get started with the design. The design is great of iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini. The design have the glass back and the flat sides of the phone. The flat sides of the phone is made up of aluminium. It's an aluminium frame, and this looks like iPad Pro. Now the size of the display is 6.1 inches. That is quite similar to iPhone 11 and 10R. So this time the iPhone 12s are about 11% thinner, 15% smaller, and 10% lighter. So there's a compact design of iPhone 12s, and this design, I personally love the design. And here are some colors, and the wallpapers are great too. This time the display is Super Retina XDR. Again, the Super Retina XDR is nothing else the trademark of Apple for OLED displays. So here comes iPhone 12 mini. iPhone 12 mini is a great small 5G iPhone, and it looks great and support all the things available in iPhone 12. And because of its Super Retina XDR display, it have a great display, but 5.4 inches display, but it's smaller than the iPhone 7, 6s and 8 and the second generation SE. And this is the smallest, thinnest and lightest 5G smartphone in the world. So both of these iPhones have OLED displays that is known as Super Retina XDR display. So this have 2 million to 1 contrast ratio, and that's great. Now this time the display have ceramic shield. Ceramic shield is a technology developed by Apple for the display glass. In this technology, their crystallization is used to introduce some artificial crystals of ceramic in the glass. This will increase the toughness of the glass up to 4 times, and your iPhone will survive 4 times in the drop test. This is IP68 water resistance rating, so it's a great iPhone that it will support 1.5 meter deep in water for 30 minutes. It have 5 new color finishes: the blue, green, and the green color is also great, and the red, white, and the next one is the black. So all the color black, white, red, green, and the blue, known as specific blue for pros, are great. Now the processor is A14 Bionic chip, the same as iPhone 12 Pro, with 11.8 billion transistor and the first chip with 5 nanometer processor. It have 4 core GPU, 6 core CPU, 16 core neural engine, and great machine learning experience. So this all about A14 Bionic chip. The next thing is 5G connectivity. It's a great 5G connectivity and gives the best speed because it supports all the bands of 5G. And the testing speed is 4 gigs per second, and upload speed is 200 megabits per second. It's a great. Now the next thing by the Apple is smart data mode. The first thing, if you are using 5G but don't require the speed of 5G, then it switches to LTE. But if you again require the 5G, then it turns back to you to 5G speed. This will save your battery and data. Now coming to the camera system, it has a dual camera setup, one ultra wide and one wide, with great experience of night mode. Both the cameras are 27% more bright in light, and you can shoot now in Dolby Vision. This is the first smartphone to shoot in Dolby Vision, and there's night mode in every camera, whether it's the front camera or the both wide and ultra wide primary cameras. Using it, you can shoot night mode time lapse. It's great. So the next major and the cool feature is MagSafe. I personally love it, and it works on a circular coil magnet inbuilt on the back of iPhone 12s. So you can charge your iPhone up to 15 watts speed wirelessly using this charger, which is quite similar to Apple Watch charger. And if you want to know more about MagSafe, just wait for Dexter's MagSafe video. I will explain everything what I know, and this will give you entire wireless experience to your iPhones. So the next thing is Apple removed the adapter and the ear ports from the box. You will only get a Type-C to Lightning cable. That means the size of the box, and the box is now thinner. So here are all major features I have told you in this video, and you can check it here. Now coming to a price point, the price point of iPhone 12 mini is $699, and the price point of iPhone 12 is $799. So the price point is okay, but the phone is good. Now coming to the next, when it will be available. So the pre-order for iPhone 12 starts with iPhone 12 Pro on October 16th and will be available on around October 23rd. And the pre-order for the iPhone 12 mini starts with iPhone 12 Pro Max on November 6th, and it will be available from November 13th. So comment below your opinions, and thank you for being here. Catch you guys in the next one.